What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to learn how to play Fallout by Gus Dapperton, Lil Yachty, and Joey Badass off of the Lyrical Lemonade project that just came out. And for this song, there's two parts to the song. There's the introduction. So for the intro, the chords that you're going to need to know is an E minor 7 played on the 7th fret, F major 7 played on the 8th fret, and C major 7 played on the 3rd fret. And then there's the rest of the song. So for that, you're going to need to know F major 7 played on the 8th fret, D minor 7 played on the 5th fret, and E minor 7 played on the 7th fret. And as you can tell, these are going to be all bar chords, so no capo was needed. And here's how you play the chords. Okay, so here's a preview of what the intro is going to sound like. All right, so the first chord is E minor 7. We're playing that on the 7th fret. So we're gonna bar the 7th fret, and it's gonna be the 8th fret B string and the 9th fret D string. It's gonna sound like this. Okay, and the second chord is an F major 7 played on the 8th fret. So we're gonna bar the 8th fret, and then it's gonna be the 9th fret G string and the 10th fret D and B string. It's gonna sound like this. Okay, and the third chord is a C major 7, so that's played on the 3rd fret. We're gonna bar the 3rd fret, and then it's gonna be the 4th fret D string, oh my bad, the 4th fret G string and the 5th fret D and B string. It's gonna sound like this. Okay. So we're going back and forth between the E minor 7 and the F major 7. So it starts off with an E minor 7, then it goes into the F major 7, then we're gonna strum the F major 7 again, and then we're gonna strum it again, and then quickly switch back to the E minor 7, and then we're gonna repeat that. Okay, and then from there we're gonna strum the E minor 7 again to the C major 7. And actually, you're gonna be playing the same sequence, not just for the intro. There's a part in the song where I think it's in the first verse where Lil Yachty is about to go in. It's after the bass part. If you hear the song, they play the sequence they play the sequence again, and then Lil Yachty does his thing, and then we go into the rest of the song. For the rest of the song, as you can hear, we're gonna be plucking the strings, and really, we're just gonna be utilizing the 4 middle strings. So the A, D, G, and B string. And so we're using similar chords, except instead of a C major 7, we're throwing in a D minor 7 instead. And it's gonna be a different sequence. So altogether, it's gonna sound like this. So we're gonna start with an F major 7 that's played on the 8th fret, which I already taught you. So we're gonna pluck the 4 middle strings like this. So A, D, G, B, G, D. Okay, and then we're gonna go into the D minor 7. And so for a D minor 7, we're gonna bar the 5th fret, and then we're putting our fingers on the 6th fret of the B string and the 7th fret of the D string, and we're doing the same plucking pattern that we just did. Okay, now in the song, it sounds like it's being played at a higher octave, but for my guitar, I can't really reach up here on the fret, so it'd be very difficult. So I'm just modifying it and playing it down here. It still works with the song. If you play along to it, you'll understand what I'm talking about. But that's what we're doing here. So the D minor 7, we're plucking the 4 middle strings. Okay, then we're going to the E minor 7 up at the 7th fret, which I previously just taught you, and then we're plucking the same 4 middle strings, same pattern. Except we're playing this twice. Okay, so that's how it's gonna sound like. And we're basically playing that throughout the entire song. All right, y'all, thank you for tapping in. I appreciate it. If you feel like this helped you out, or if you feel like it added value to you, please go ahead and comment down below, like this video, share it with somebody who you think would want to learn this song. And also, please consider subscribing if you want more videos and tutorials like this. And I will see you guys on the next video.